Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialists. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2003 Chinook Concourse with 84,177 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2003 Chinook Concourse. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated dealership. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We'll do a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. Got about 76.5 inches of headroom in the main part, about 74 inches here at the air conditioner, and then at this little bump down here in the rear. Got carpet flooring throughout. This is nice clean carpet. Got your fantastic fan overhead in the center here. This acts like an attic fan at night. If you open the windows up, bring the cool outside air in. It can also act like an exhaust fan if you have moist air in here. Got your air conditioner that runs off of the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Got two chairs here. These do spin and move forward and backwards a little bit. Storage down below this one. Got a window with a screen portion here on the right side. Shades you can pull down for privacy. Got 110 power, switch for these mood lights. Got a light there, a speaker here, and a 110 AC plug-in. The speakers like this that you see throughout the unit are run via this head unit here. So whenever you play through this, we'll play through those speakers. Got your thermostat here. This controls the LP furnace or the overhead air conditioner. Got a TV antenna there. Got a window with a screen portion here. Another speaker there. Got 110 power back here. We've got 110 power here, 12 volt plug-in, and another switch for the mood lights. So we got a jackknife sofa here. We got two belts on that jackknife, two up front, so a total of 4 belts. You're gonna pick up on the front of the couch here and move this out. It's gonna create the sleeping area. I'm gonna go and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The jackknife sofa bed measures approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 48 inches east-west or side to side. There is room to walk through with the jackknife sofa bed down. We do have some storage beneath the jackknife sofa. That's your awning center rafter there. Got your freshwater tank in the back of the water heater. Moving now to the kitchen in the center of the coach. Got a little screw hole right here. Another one right there. Got a little blemish on the stove cover. Corian countertops, a dual basin sink. Some good counter space. Got a switch for some tank heaters, water heater on off, and we've got a 12 volt power. Got a noxious gas detector down there. Got your fuse panel here that's got your 110 AC breakers and your 12 volt DC fuses. Some storage below the cooktop. So we got a 3-burner propane cooktop. Got a hood light and fan. Push this button for your levels test here. Got your black, your gray, fresh water, liquid propane, and your coach battery. Water pump on off, that pumps the water out of the onboard tank. Hood light and fan. Got your microwave here. It's a standard microwave that runs on AC power. It's your shore power plug-in or your generator. Got a 3-way fridge freezer here. This is a 3-way. It runs on propane gas, AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator, or your coach battery, so DC. So AC, DC, or propane gas. An exhaust fan overhead with a light. Not much of a step up and into this bathroom area, so essentially you're going to get inside of this wet room, and you're going to do all your business right here, whether that's showering or using the toilet. Pull that curtain around you there to help contain some of the water. Got a little bit of a step up and into the unit. Got 110 power here, fire extinguisher. Got your awning crank there on the left. Spot here to hang your clothes. Got the generator start stop for the Onan 4K generator. Has a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. Has 133 hours. Got a noxious gas detector and got a bunch of your light switches here. Here we are standing in the rear of the Chinook. What do you call a pudgy psychic? A 4-chin teller. Little bit of age on the sofa and on the chairs. Still in very good shape, however. Got a 19-inch TV with a built-in DVD player. Got some more of those speakers here in the front. Nice big storage area here. Got a privacy curtain, your manuals, some other goodies. This spot here is where a VCR would have originally been. We've removed that and added a 12-volt charging station. One of those speakers, and you got that head unit. Here's the solar controller. So all in all, we've got a nice Chinook here. Very minimal blemishes inside and out. This thing is fantastic looking. Got a couple little teeny screw holes. Maybe just a little bit of age on the leather. But all in all, this one's very, very clean. I'm gonna call this one a 9.5 out of 10. I'm not gonna find too many 2003s that are as clean as this unit. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. Got a head unit up here that's got auxiliary and USB in. Got nice clean upholstery. A little glove box here. Tough to say for sure. Some people have magic noses, but the cigarette lighter is unused. I'm not seeing any signs of smoking in here, so I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. We've also got a little bit of a control center here. Control your driving lights. Vehicle boost start will jump start you from the coach batteries if you were to run the engine battery dead. Start stop for the generator and a on off for the coach batteries. This will disconnect the coach batteries to prevent parasitic draw. That will also disconnect the charging systems, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, or the alternator while you drive. Alrighty folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2003 Chinook Concourse. This RV measures 21 feet bumper to bumper with a 10-foot manual awning. Has 6 brand new tires. This Chinook is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 6.8 liter V10 engine with 84,177 miles. We've got lots and lots of shine left on this unit. Fantastic looking exterior. One teeny tiny little nick right there on the stripes, but really this thing is a great looking unit. Got your porch light, have top of the refrigerator. You got this Thule luggage carrier thing up top. Got your air conditioner, solar panel, got a max air vent that covers up the fantastic fan so you can have that open while it's raining or while you're driving. Got your furnace exhaust. You don't want to sit things here while it's on, it will melt them. These are the clevises for the awning legs. Those are inside of the awning itself. I prefer to run those legs directly to the ground. If you have them coming down to the unit, somebody can walk through here and break those, scratch up the side of the RV. Got your propane tank down below. Got 2 110s to plug things in beneath the awning. Got your Onan 4K generator, back of the refrigerator. Got a power step. This is out now, so this will slide back in there. If you want to use the tow package, you can get a little hitch extender. Got a ladder for rooftop access. backup camera, got a porch light. You can drop your spare tire down like so. Got your toilet vent up top, TV antenna. Got a sewer hose storage. Got your drain here. Got your gray and your black, so you'll pull the black first, then the gray. Fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got your cable TV and telephone in. Your shore power cord that's attached to the RV. Outside shower. It's good for kids, pets going to the beach. Fill for the onboard fresh water tank. That's your city water there. Got a black tank flush, so this will flush out the sewer outlet. Again, fantastic looking outside on this one. Got storage down here. 2 coach batteries on this slider drawer. Got the back of your water heater. Beautiful looking Chinook here. This one's ready to hit the highway.